Hello everyone. Today our group will be presenting on Henry Fayol, who is widely celebrated as the father of modern management. Fayol was not just an academic, he was a trained mining engineer who graduated at only 19 years old. Because of his scientific background, he brought a highly logical approach to business. Looking at organization from a top-down executive perspective to understand how they can run successfully. Now, why does fail still matter today? The answer is simple. His theories actually work in the real world. When he becomes CEO of a massive fish mining consortium in 1888, the company was completely bankrupt. By applying his systematic management rules, he turned it into a highly profitable empire. In 1916, he published his life's work, giving to the world the 5 functions of management and 15 principles of management framework that are still taught in every business school and MBA program globally today. Thank you.
Edition is Henry Fayol Management Contributions. Firstly, we go to the 40 principles of management. Its division of work, simplifications, increased efficiency, unity of command. Each employee reports to only one manager to avoid confusions. Unity of directions, team with the same goals should work under one plan. Authority and responsibility, discipline, centralizations, order and esprit de corps. Secondly is from operational to general management. While contemporaries like Frederick Taylor focusing on improving individual work efficiency, while Fayol developed a comprehensive top-down theory of management applicable to all organizations. He agreed the managerial ability is a skill that can and should be taught. Lastly is the 5 functions of management. This is we call policy framework. One is planning, creating a plan of action for the future. Second is organizing, providing the necessary resource. Third is commanding, leading to employees to perform the best of their abilities. The fourth is coordinating, is unifying and harmonizing all activity and efforts. Lastly is controlling, verifying that everything occurs according to a plan.
Next, I will be presenting the key management theories of Henry Fayol. Henry Fayol was a French management theorist who is known as one of the founders of modern management. He developed the administrative management theory, which focuses on improving organizational efficiency through proper management practices. One of the Fayol's major contributions is the 5 functions of management. These functions explain the main responsibilities of managers in an organization. The first function is planning. Managers set goals and decide the best ways to achieve them. The second function is organizing. This involves arranging resources, tasks, and employees effectively. The third function is commanding. Managers guide and supervise employees to ensure work is completed properly. The fourth function is coordinating. Managers make sure all departments and workers cooperate smoothly toward common goals. The final function is controlling. Managers monitor performance and make corrections when necessary. Fayol also introduced the 14 principles of management, such as division of work, unity of command, discipline, and teamwork. These principles are still used in business today.
So next, I will explain about George Elton Mayo. He was an important figure in management study. Elton Mayer was born on 26 December 1880 in Adelaide, Australia. He studied physiology and psychology and then became a psychologist, industrial researcher, and organization theorist. For his career development, he worked as a lecturer at the University of Queensland from 1911 until 1922 during World War One. He conducted research related to psychological treatment for soldiers. Later, he moved to the United States and worked at the University of Pennsylvania before become a professor at Harvard Business School, where he spent most of his personal career. Elton Mayer is famous because he founded the human relation movement, which focused on employees' social and emotional needs in the workplace. He also led the Hawthorne studies, which show at workers become more productive when they feel valued and observed. His idea contributed greatly to modern organization behavior and management practice used today. Thank you.
Other than that is Elton Mayer contributions. He conducted his most influential research at the Hawthorne Works. First example is the power of social factors. Productivity was driven far more by social dynamics, feelings of being valued, the Hawthorne work effect, and group belonging than just physical conditions or pay. Second is the informal organizations. He discovered powerful social norms within unofficial workers group that often dictated output more than official roles did, highlighting the distinction between formal and informal workplace structures. Lastly is the logic of sentiments. He identified a positional tension between workers' emotional or social needs. That's made a logic of sentiments and management focus of efficiencies. The easy word is logic of cost and efficiency.
Elton Mayer was an Australian psychologist and management researcher who introduced the human relations theory. Unlike Fayol, Mayer focused more on employee emotions, social relationships, and workplace behavior. Mayer became famous through the Hawthorne studies, which were experiments conducted to study worker productivity. The studies show that employees performed better when the value included and paid attention to by management. From these studies, Mayer concluded that workers are not only motivated by salary, but also by social interaction, teamwork, communication, and recognition. His theory emphasized the importance of positive relationships between managers and employees. He believed that employee satisfaction can improve productivity and overall workplace performance.